Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Ethan. How are you today?
Hi, Hannah. I'm doing well. Thank you. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. I was thinking about my daily routine and my healthy habits. I wanted to talk with you about our diet, exercise, and sleep. Do you enjoy keeping a healthy lifestyle?
Yes, I do. I try to eat well, exercise, and get good sleep every day. I think a healthy lifestyle makes me feel happier and more energetic.
I agree. I always start my day with a healthy breakfast. For example, I eat oatmeal with fruits and drink a glass of water or orange juice. It helps me feel strong in the morning.
That is a good habit. I usually have whole grain toast with avocado and a boiled egg. I also drink green tea. I believe breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
Yes, a good breakfast gives me energy. For lunch, I try to eat a salad with chicken or fish and many vegetables. I always include some greens and tomatoes.
I like to eat a light lunch too. I usually have rice with steamed vegetables and a little protein, like tofu or chicken. I think eating healthy food helps me work better in the afternoon.
Absolutely. I also try to avoid fast food and sugary drinks. I prefer fresh fruits or nuts as a snack in the afternoon.
Me too. I often eat an apple or a small bag of almonds when I feel hungry between meals. It is good for my body and keeps me active.
Speaking of being active, do you exercise regularly, Ethan?
Yes, I do. I try to exercise at least 5 days a week. In the morning, I often go for a 30-minute run or a brisk walk in the park. It clears my mind and gives me energy for the day.
That sounds great. I also enjoy running. I sometimes go jogging near my house or ride my bicycle on weekends. Exercise is very important to me because it helps reduce stress.
I feel the same way. When I exercise, I feel much more relaxed and happy. I also do some simple stretches at home in the evenings to keep my body flexible.
Stretching is good for the body. I also try to do yoga sometimes. It helps me focus and relax after a busy day.
I have watched some yoga videos online. I think I might try yoga in the future to improve my balance and flexibility.
You should, Ethan. Yoga is very calming and helps me with my concentration too.
Besides exercise, sleep is also a big part of my healthy lifestyle. I try to go to bed by 10:30 p.m. every night. How about you, Hannah?
I aim to sleep for about 8 hours each night. I go to bed at 10 p.m. and wake up around 6:30 a.m. A good sleep routine helps me feel rested and ready for the next day.
That is very important. When I sleep well, I feel more focused at work and in my studies. I also avoid using my phone 1 hour before bed to help my mind relax.
That is a smart idea. I also like to read a book or listen to soft music before going to sleep. It makes me calm and helps me fall asleep faster.
I sometimes do the same. Reading a short story or some poetry helps me forget the day's worries.
Yes, it is like a little escape before sleep. I also try to keep my room dark and quiet. I use a sleep mask sometimes if there is too much light.
A dark and quiet room really makes a difference. I also set my alarm and plan my day the night before so I don't worry in the morning.
Planning my day helps me reduce stress. I write a small list of things I want to do, like studying, exercising, or even cooking.
That is a good habit, Hannah. I make a to-do list every morning. It keeps me organized and helps me use my time well.
We seem to have similar ideas about a healthy lifestyle. I believe that eating good food, exercising, and sleeping well are the basics for a happy life.
I agree. When we take care of our body, we can do better in work, studies, and enjoy our hobbies more.
Do you ever try any new recipes or healthy dishes?
Yes, sometimes I try to cook new recipes at home. Last week, I made a vegetable stir-fry with brown rice. It was very tasty and full of vitamins.
That sounds delicious. I like to cook too. Recently, I made a quinoa salad with mixed vegetables and a lemon dressing. It is very light and healthy.
Quinoa salad is great. I like to add fresh spinach and a little olive oil. Healthy cooking can be fun and creative.
Yes, and it helps me control what I eat. I try to avoid too much oil or sugar in my meals.
I do the same. I think a balanced diet is important. I also make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day.
Drinking water is a key habit. I usually carry a bottle with me and try to finish it by the end of the day.
That is a good plan. It keeps me active and helps my body work better.
Besides food and exercise, do you have any other healthy habits?
I try to take short breaks during work. When I sit for a long time, I stand up, stretch, or take a short walk. It helps me avoid getting too tired.
I like that idea. I also try to meditate for a few minutes when I feel stressed. It helps me relax and clear my mind.
Meditation sounds nice. I might try it soon.
We all need little moments to relax. I think a healthy lifestyle is not only about food and sleep, but also about taking time for ourselves.
Absolutely, Hannah. When we balance work, exercise, and rest, we can live a better life.
I feel very positive when I follow my healthy habits. They help me study, work, and enjoy my free time.
I agree. I have noticed that when I eat well, exercise, and sleep properly, I am much more energetic and happy during the day.
It makes me feel that even small changes, like a healthy breakfast or a short walk, can have a big impact on my mood.
Yes, every little habit counts. We must take care of ourselves to do our best.
Thank you for this great conversation, Ethan. I feel that sharing our routines has given me new ideas to improve my daily habits.
Thank you, Hannah. I also enjoyed our chat. It is nice to talk with someone who cares about health and well-being.
I hope we can talk again soon and share more tips on staying healthy.
I would like that very much, Hannah. Let's plan to share our progress next week.
That sounds like a plan. Have a wonderful day, Ethan, and keep up your healthy habits.
You too, Hannah. Have a great day and happy living. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Ethan.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.